The science of sleep. Why do we need it? Sleep is something we all do, but why exactly do we need it? Let's explore the science behind those ZZs. They say you need 8 hours of sleep to function properly, but I'd settle for just one more hit of the snooze button. Restoration theory. Sleep helps restore and repair the body and mind after a long day of activity. Memory consolidation. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories, making it easier to remember things we learned during the day. Energy conservation. Sleep allows the body to conserve energy and lower metabolism when it's not needed. Brain detox. The brain clears out waste products during sleep, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The sleep cycle. Sleep happens in cycles of different stages, including REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, which is important for dreaming. Circadian rhythm. Our internal body clock, or circadian rhythm, regulates sleep and wakefulness, syncing with daylight and darkness. Sleep and mood. A lack of sleep can lead to irritability, anxiety, and even depression, as sleep regulates our mood. Physical healing. Sleep is critical for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall physical recovery. Immune system support. During sleep, the body boosts immune function, helping us fight off infections. Hormone regulation. Hormones that control hunger, stress, and growth are regulated during sleep. The effects of sleep deprivation. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to health issues like heart disease, obesity, and impaired cognitive function. Dreams. Dreams are thought to be the brain's way of processing emotions and events, although their exact purpose is still debated. Sleep disorders. Conditions like insomnia, sleep apnea, and narcolepsy disrupt sleep and can lead to long-term health problems. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, physical recovery, and brain detoxification. Without it, our bodies and minds suffer, highlighting the importance of regular, quality sleep. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.